I'm Jenny Wilder. I'm the rector of St. Anne's Episcopal Church in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and this is this week's Top 5. Kicking things off for us this week is Brown Bag and Bible on Tuesday, September the 13th, starting here at St. Anne's in the vestry room around 12 p.m. You're invited to bring your own lunch and gather around the table as we dive deep into the Holy Word, sharing in conversation and revelation with one another about what it is that we hear and experience in God's Holy Word. All are invited to this wonderful opportunity, hosted by our deacon intern, Pamela Haynes. We'll see you on Tuesday. On Tuesday, September the 13th, we'll be doing our Campfire and Communion series here on the front lawn at St. Anne's. You and your family are invited to bring a picnic. Enjoy that at about 6:30 in the evening. At 7 o'clock, we'll light the campfire and do our Compline service. And then at about 7:20, we will do s'mores and have some lemonade, sing camp songs, tell stories, and just enjoy one another's company as evening gives way to night. This is a wonderful way to wind down at the end of the day, but also to touch base and to worship and to spend some time in prayer with God. All are invited, and we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. On Wednesday, August the 14th at 6:30 in the evening, we will have our monthly potluck supper here at St. Anne's. You're invited to bring either a cold dish or a warm dish, something to bring to the table so that all those who are gathering that evening may have something to eat. This is a wonderful opportunity for food, fun, and fellowship. And if you want to come at 6 o'clock and join us for evening prayer, you can do that as well. So come on, sign up. It will be in the parish hall by the TV on Sunday after church. So make sure to sign up, let us know what you're bringing, and then come hungry on Wednesday, August the 14th. We'll see you then. Looking a little further into August, on Saturday, August the 31st, here at St. Anne's, starting at 9:30 in the morning, we'll have our day-long confirmation, reaffirmation, and reception retreat called Remember Your Baptism. This is open and available to anyone who is at least 13 years of age, has been baptized, and is looking to be either confirmed in the Episcopal Church, received into the Episcopal Church, or to celebrate a new season in your life through reaffirmation. All you have to do is go online. The link is going to be in the comment section of the video, and you can click on through, register that way, and look forward to having you with me on Saturday, August the 31st, as we all remember our baptism. Summer here at St. Anne's is a little slow, especially in the month of August, so I'm going to take this opportunity to talk about one more event that's coming in September. Actually, it's an 8-week-long class that I'll be teaching here at St. Anne's on Monday evening, starting on September the 9th and going all the way through October the 28th. Have you ever wanted to know what it's like to write a sermon? Or what kind of work and study goes into it? What are the rhetorical devices one might employ when giving a sermon? Well, if you want to know more about the sermon writing practice and maybe even work towards doing some lay preaching here at St. Anne's, then you are invited to sign up for our Lay Preaching 101 class. All you got to do is let me know that you want to be a part of this class. The class size is limited. We'll talk about numbers depending on who's interested. But this is a wonderful opportunity to dive deeper into the scripture, to wrestle with it, and to come up with something that speaks to your heart, but you also feel might speak to other people's hearts. So Lay Preaching 101, a class will begin on September the 9th. It's Mondays through September and through October. And just let me know you want to participate, and I'll get you signed up. Well, friends, that's going to do it for me. I'm Jenny Wilder. I'm the rector of St. Anne's Episcopal Church in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And this is this week's Top 5. God bless.